Hello, I'm Erica Mullen, but most commonly go by Sunny. I'm a civil engineer for a consulting firm in New Jersey, but grew up in Omaha, Nebraska, and I'm excited to speak with you today. When people would ask me when I was 6 years old what I want to be when I grow up, I would tell them I'd like to be an Olympic gymnast. When I got a little older, when I was about 13, I was asked the same question, and I responded that I want to be a college gymnastics coach for a Division I team and take them to an NCAA championship. Then in high school, I realized that wasn't quite an obtainable goal, and then started focusing on areas that I really enjoyed. And found out that with gymnastics, that kind of led me to realizing that engineering was the path for me. I always found that I would take a step back and break down all my skills. What if I went a little faster at the skill, changed the velocity, the angle, pushed off the vault table a little harder, flipped a little faster, what would be the result? How do I stick a landing? How do I not land on my face? And started to figure out that this was all having to deal with physics and mathematics. And I could also apply that to engineering. That then took me to looking for colleges in that field and started taking the studies at Rutgers University, which led me to where I am today. After college, I decided to start my profession in designing bridges and roadways, and then decided to take that interest to more residential development and commercial and industrial complex design. I felt like I was missing something and decided to start exploring municipal service engineering. Here I've really enjoyed bringing the community together through designs of parks, beautifying and restoring streams and downtown communities, and really enhancing the quality of life for visitors and residents in a community. I enjoy working with everyone that really makes up the community, from the council to the mayor to speaking with the residents on the phone and really understanding what the needs are. I might not be designing the largest or longest bridge, but I really feel like I'm making an impact at a small scale that people really appreciate. Outside the office, I volunteer my time with Special Olympics, Alzheimer's Association, STEM career nights, and visiting high schools to speak with females who are interested in engineering professions. Last but not least, also I spend a lot of time with Future Cities. This year I'm the region coordinator for New Jersey, and before that I was the activities coordinator for about 3 years. I've always been very passionate about this program. It's for middle school students who want to learn more about engineering and all the different components. They gain a whole lot from this experience. On competition day, students are very thrilled to share everything they have learned. They gain a lot of knowledge along with a variety of skills, including presentation, writing, building a model, and most importantly, teamwork. And they also get to experience project planning as well, which is an important key in our engineering industry. They love the world of engineering and tell as they explain it on competition day. I would like to read a short email that a teacher recently sent me. I would like to thank you for your countless hours of dedication, commitment to inspiring the next generation of engineers. This is why I am involved with Future Cities and do what I do. My proudest moments as both an engineer and as an individual takes me to a story of a young gymnast in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, who had the dream to go to college as both a gymnast and study engineering. She had low self-esteem at the time and didn't believe that she could achieve this goal. I spent countless hours with her after practice, refining her skills, as well as helping her with some of her studies. She kept working hard and eventually came to me one day just overthrilled with joy that she had achieved her goal. She's now at the University of Penn studying biomedical engineering as a junior. Before she went to college, she sent me a video. In this video, she said that because of me, she was able to achieve this goal. That she saw I was a professional engineer and achieved my goals and dreams, and it started with going to school as a gymnast and studying engineering. She said I gave her the strength to pursue her dreams, and it really meant a lot to her. And this really touched me to hear this video and to see that I greatly impacted this one life. that she is now going after what she really wanted to, and maybe before me that wouldn't have happened. Civil engineering is all around us and impacts our daily lives. I feel I really make a difference in what I do. I want to thank you for taking the time today to get to know me.